Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to put the percent of a total in Microsoft Excel. And this is kind of a backwards sort of formula that I learned when I was taking algebra. So here we are inside of Excel, and you can see I've formatted this out really pretty. It says 48 is 21% of 225. Now we can change this 48 to say 52 or 83, and it automatically changes the percent for us. To test that this is actually going accurate, we're going to put 225 back into it. So let's say 225, and it says it's 100%. So we know that it's recognizing these percentages correctly. Now I'm going to show you how to build it pretty quick. We're just going to put a random number, let's say 85 is blank, because we'll fill that in with a formula, of, let's say 560. So the formula is the fun part. You push equals, and what we want to do is we want to multiply the small number by 100 and then divide it by sort of the total, or the big number. So it's kind of backwards, where you're dividing by the big number instead of the small number. So we want this cell to be multiplied by 100, and then we want to divide that by whatever that big number is, and push enter. And so it gives us this really kind of confusing looking decimal number. But we can format that as a percent pretty quickly. Let's come up to the number tab here on the home tab, and we're going to push percent. So it's styled it as a percent. Unfortunately, it misread the decimal place, and obviously 85 is not 1,000% of 560. To get this to look right, we're actually going to go back to the formula and divide the total by 100, just to move that decimal place to where we need it to be. So with that cell selected, we'll go back to the formula and say divide everything by 100 and push enter. And so now it kind of looks correct. And again, we can change that number, 95, 460. But to double check that it's actually working correctly, I'm going to put 560 back into it. So 560. And it is indeed 100% of 560, or itself. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to calculate percents of a total in Microsoft Excel. If you have any other questions, please email me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.